We're just gonna increase the dynamic range because that's actually one of the key things about animations. Like they have a very wide dynamic range. Increase the whites. So when you do these kind of anime style edits, they do kind of have that HDR-ish look. You can already see the picture starting to look that way. I haven't even started playing with the colors and it already looks like that. So I'm going to increase the luminance all the way. It gives it kind of a painted look. So if we zoom in right here on the pigeon, you can see the luminance just makes it look like it's like a brush effect. Even though that's not what luminance is meant to do, that's actually what it's doing. So now all we're left to do is to play with the colors. Actually, usually I go for saturated skies, but this time I'm going to go for like a more desaturated look. Something like this. And actually the blacks should be a little bit, just a little bit darker. And if we look at kind of these anime movies, they always have like a kind of a tint of blue or purple or even red in the shadows. So it's really your choice, but I tend to go more towards the purple side, but not too much. Something like that. And I think that's looking pretty good already. Maybe a little bit more, not contrast, but slightly increase the sharpening. And there we go. We have kind of an anime style edit. Didn't take too long to do. And I hope you found it useful.